Here we are. Good afternoon. Welcome to High Hoyland in lovely Barnsley. Look at that view. Eh? It's just starting to snow. I'm just going to show you how far we've got on this job. We've been too busy to make a video to start with, so apologies for that. But we've got sort of halfway through it, ready for plasters. So I'll just take you in and just show you what we've been up to. Just above the door there. Oh, property's rendered. Bit of stone, we put some stones round here. Safeguard like that. Right, so here we go. It's a 300-year-old converted barn, and they've got a new extension on front bit, and this is the old brick barn, and this is stone part in here. So this has already had some work done on it, but guys that did damp work, there were quite a few issues with different aspects of damp coming through. So one of the issues was around these sockets down here. They've been put in after the original damp course 30 years ago, and whoever's done it has patched it up with bonding, gypsum plaster. And they did exactly the same when this cable was put in down that side here. Various places all the way around have had bonding, and this in here had a bridging issue as well, plastered all the way down to the floor. Now, the system that we're going to use on this barn conversion today, or what we've already installed, is damp check rods by Safeguard. It's quite a thick solid wall on here, and the same through there. And what we've done is we've drilled it from inside, so we've drilled it to just short the outside edge, and then we've put these damp check rods in, and it's been a right ball ache. So what you have to do with these is, it's not like with acrylic, where you put your applicator in and then you backfill the hole. What you have to do with these is you have to use like a special tool to push in and core. It's like you turn it and it fetches all the dust out. So you've got to get all the dust out before these will go in, and then you push one in, and then next in. Push next thing goes on top of that, and then next bit on top of that till it goes all the way in all. They are expensive, and they are the top banana product. So if you want it best, these are things to have above cream. They all good to same BBA standard, but these will go above and beyond what's needed. Now tomorrow plasters will come in, and they're going to put Safeguard's dry zone plaster on it, which is specially developed for old barns like this with solid walls. It allows it to breathe, allows plaster to breathe. It's a lot better than Renderlite and for these properties. So this is what's been what we've said needs to go on these walls. Just take you a quick look around, because I'll probably do another video a bit later on, but once it's been plastered. But here we go. So there you go. We've got stone, mixture of stone and brick and all stuff like that under here. So yeah. Oh, let me show you this. So this were a window seat, and that is outside skin. Originally, these windows, you can't see it here, but I can see it in here. Originally, these windows would have been set back to inside halfway through. For some reason, when they've renovated it, they've put windows to the front, so that's like kind of outside skin. There's all sorts of issues with that stonework getting wet. So what we've done is we've put natsem on this window seat. So that's got natsem on back, natsem on bottom, so it'll be totally waterproof. So they can put their timbers on and form another seat once we've done this dry zone plaster. I'm just trying to think if there's aught else. I don't think there is. No else. But it's absolutely fantastic room. Once it's all, I'll just show you. You can just see. You can see them at the bottom of the wall. Them white things. I don't know if you can see them. Bottom of the wall, all pushed in. There you go. And they've took like at least a day longer than if we'd have used acrylic cream. So just bear that in mind when you're pricing up. It's just a lot more work just doing these, but you know it's top of range. So that's just from High Hoyland. I'll post another video. So subscribe to us. We do these all the time. And over coming year, you see all different properties, all different types of backgrounds, and if you're into damp, it's quite interesting. So that's Damp Sam signing off. Subscribe please, and give us a like, and just ask us any questions. Have a good Wednesday. Bye bye.